Sige, go.
Knock knock.
Knock knock.
Monster.
Ikaw.
Oh, knock knock.
Monster.
Kangkong, mais, gulaman, sago.
Kangkong, mais, gulaman, sago. Who?
Mayroon kangkong, mais at gulaman. Maaari bang magsago?
Ay, yung kulay, mga kulay.
Sino?
Yung mga kulay.
Use, yellow, green, yellow,
Mom, what does highway means?
brown,
Yellow.
Mommy, what does highway
White.
means?
It's where
Violet,
the cars passes
violet.
by.
pink.
Ah.
In a sentence.
Okay, use it.
Green, yellow. Can I talk to Mr. Brown? Wait a minute. Oh, he's not here. Bye. Wait. Tell him to call back. Okay, violet. Pink.
What about you, Amir? Do you have something?
For QH, H19, QH, 511, QOCW, QWS,
Serial code.
9W, J5. You price up. And they want to come going from the area.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Does she have to do this?
lumalaban. Ayaw magpakabog.
Bayad na ba dyan?
Pag mahaba ang pila doon pa yung stop.
Lightning on the road.
Bukas pa naman po. Kasi marami ng ulam na.
Oh.
Ito, ang counter. Yan. May coating space. Ayan yung inside kitchen. Ito. Ganyan. Microwave. Lagayan ng sara. Plato. Baso. Storage. Yan. Ito yung counter table. Meron sa ilalim. Ayan. Tapos may tabi ang toilet. Yan. Ito yung lababo. Meron ng storage. Toilet. Ganyan lang. Tapos yung sala. Ito yung dining table. 6 seaters, pero pwede nang 8 yan. Yan. Ganyan lang. Parang studio type lang muna. Sliding door. Window. Ceiling. Gilgit. Tapos, paglabas mo, may dirty kitchen. Yan, dito yung cash range.
How about me? Bonjing.
Storage. Ganyan lang.
What's the correct answer?
Tapos ang tapat yan.
Is it going to washing hands for the what?
30 seconds.
For the correct answer.
30 seconds.
May toilet din doon. Hi guys! 30 minutes we're going already. Sumubo na kayo ulit, ate. Ha? 30 minutes na lang ha. Mag-ready ka na ng pagkain nyo. Ikaw naman pagsilbayan mo naman si ata ang butata. Palagi na lang ikaw ang pinagsisilbayan ni ata eh. Birthday niyan bukas.
Dali, bigyan mo na. Tara na.
Tatlo yung kwarto. The same lang naman. Oo.
Ayaw pa sumakay ha. Yari-yari ka dyan, paakit. Ayaw niyo pang sumakay ha.